Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make egg sandwich for egg lovers. I have a video for egg sandwich already, but today I'm going to double up the amount of egg to make egg sandwich dedicated for egg lovers, just like myself. It's very easy to make. Let's get started. These are what you need. 2 Japanese white bread, 4 eggs, 1 tablespoon butter, Japanese mayonnaise, Kewpie mayo if available, and some garlic salt. Today I'm using garlic salt, but if you don't have garlic salt, you can just use salt and pepper. Let's start with boiled egg. So I have 4 eggs here, and I'm making a small crack on the bottom side of the egg. This is the round side, and this is the pointy side. On this side, I'm going to make a little crack. It will make it easier to peel later on. So crack it just like this, and then put it in the frying pan or pot. And you need some water. The water doesn't have to cover the eggs completely. I put half it up of the eggs, and this is just good enough. Let's put the lid on and bring it to boil. Now you can see it's boiling, so let's turn the heat to medium and cook for 7 minutes. Okay, 7 minutes, so let's take them out in ice water. Putting the eggs in ice water will also make it easy to peel. Let's just put them in ice water. If you have egg like this one, egg white coming out, it's not a problem. Just chill. It's completely chilled, so I'm going to peel them. I'm using 2 of them as is and 2 of them for egg salad. This ugly one with egg white coming out is for egg salad, so let's put this in larger bowl. Let's make egg salad using these 2 eggs in a larger bowl, the ugly ones. I'm using this small potato masher, but you can use fork instead. Just mash the eggs. 2 tablespoons mayonnaise, Japanese Kewpie mayo if available. And some garlic salt. And you want to season this strong because bread and whole eggs will balance off the saltiness. I'm adding a little less than 1 teaspoon here. Give it a nice mix. And egg salad is ready. Now I'm assembling the sandwich. Put plastic film big enough to wrap the sandwich on cutting board. Bread. Let's put some butter. Let's put half of the egg salad on this one, half of this on this one, and let's spread it out. And I'm going to cut the sandwich this way, diagonally, so I'm going to put the eggs this way. And let's put this one on top. Gently press it down and wrap with the plastic film tightly. I'm going to put this in the fridge to settle for half an hour. It's been chilled for half an hour, so let's cut and see how it looks inside. Let's remove the film. In Japan, when we make sandwich, we normally cut the crust off to enjoy the fluffiness of the bread. But if you like the crust, you can of course leave it on. Today I'm cutting it off. Prepare a knife and kitchen paper. And let's cut off the crust first. Every time you cut, clean the knife. cut it in half. And eggs are here. So I'm going to cut it this way, not this way, this way. Okay, let's check how it looks inside. It looks so pretty. Let's put it on the plate. And egg sandwich for egg lovers is ready to go. Okay, it's time to taste. It's a little bit difficult to eat because of the whole egg here, so be careful not to drop anything. Mmm! Remember I seasoned the egg salad strong? That is the perfect balance with the bread and the whole egg inside. I'm going to finish it up. Yum! That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!